Okay, so here I was sent one of those crucibles, or otherwise metal melting kit. Yes, this is an entire kit here together, and it actually looks really nice. Just for full transparency, this was sent to me free of charge. For the purposes of this review, I cannot do it outside today because we have quite bad weather for a while now. But I'll show you what's inside really quick. And here we have the smelter, whatever, that's fireproof. That's what you put the metals. But let me just pull everything out really quick. This one here, the shapes that you put the molten metal on. One of the shapes. Another shape if you're melting more, so you can fill this one up. And another one right here. So we have the pickers right here, so you don't burn your hands. This is really nice. Let's see. Oh yeah, let's see if it can catch this one. Yeah, it does that too. And then we have the other parts right here. We have more of the rods. They're that kind of graphite rod. And here's the whole set. Really actually good quality. Yeah, my hands are gonna be dirty now, but you get the point. So the rods, the picker, the forms, the base. This is actually really beautiful, I gotta say. And since I said since today it would be impossible to go outside and do anything, that's where you would put, for example, your metals to melt. Well, I'm not gonna melt my ring, but you get the point. Let me throw one of these pennies real quick, just for an example. This is not how this is done, but just since I'm doing the video, I'm not gonna waste your time completely and see if that's possible. And I'm not sure if the camera is showing it correctly, but the flames are actually even changing color while I'm trying to melt this real quick. As I said, this is not the professional way to do it. This is just a quick demo that this crucible can handle high heats like the one I'm putting on it. As you see, the torch is actually blowing on it and it's not cracking or nothing. And no, I don't have any paste here or any of that good stuff that's actually required to make it easier.
Warning: what you are about to see is for educational purposes only. It is illegal to melt U.S. mint currency for profit, but is allowed under CFR 31B 182.2, CFR Title 31, Subtitle B, Chapter 1, Part 82, Section 82. Point 1, 82.1 Prohibitions. Except as specifically authorized by the Secretary of the Treasury, or designee, or as otherwise provided in this part, no person shall export, melt, or treat A. Any 5-cent coin of the United States, or B. Any 1-cent coin of the United States. CFR, Title 31, Subtitle B, Chapter 1, Part 82, Section 82.2, B. The prohibition contained in Section 82.1 against the treatment of 5-cent coins and 1-cent coins shall not apply to the treatment of these coins for educational, amusement, novelty, jewelry, and similar purposes, as long as the volumes treated and the nature of the treatment makes it clear that such treatment is not intended as a means by which to profit solely from the value of the metal content of the coins. If you choose to do this, perform it at your own risk.
And as you see, it doesn't stick or nothing. And yes, I added a few more pennies here just to kind of make this happen. And it looks actually really cool, I gotta say. And as I said, I just unfortunately cannot go outside to make this with a big burner because the weather is really bad right now. But we're doing what we can do right now. What's the best next thing? Melt some coins. Welcome to the world, just to see that it actually works. Now, this torch is not really a strong one that I would say it can melt as good, but it is what it is. Let's see if we can drizzle a little bit of that. It's almost there. Almost there. So, we'll pour some of it in one of these shapes really quick. Let me just, I forgot something, that I'm actually on a glass table. And it would not be nice if I drop any bit of this. Okay. Perfect. Look at that. We just have to wait for it to kind of cool off a little bit. This is actually cool. Come on. I just melted it just with a torch. And yes, those were 2 pennies. And this is not super hot. I can touch it. And look how good this base is. Look, it didn't stick actually. So As you see, I can just drop it. This is perfect. I'm really happy with this one because now I'm gonna have a lot of fun. Just giving this a second to just get a little bit colder because I'm not planning to touch it with my bare hand right now because it's way too hot. So not only it works, but it works actually really good. In my opinion, based on what I tried just now. And we take this stuff here just so you know that's actually not stuck at all. Look at that. This is just the leftovers and garbage that was on those pennies. And here's the pure metal from those pennies. Whatever they're made of, somehow this one came up white. That's interesting though. I didn't expect it to actually come out white. Look at that. This is around 4 pennies that I melted here. Look. It came out this piece, this white piece like this. Anybody that's a metal guy that knows what's going on here, can you please let me know what are these made of? Because I know these pennies were not white when I put them in. Wait, I have a few more exactly the same year. Yeah, I have more like them. These are old that I scraped from the under car carpets and stuff when I cleaned the car and just toss them on the side. But these were dirty. That's where that dirty stuff comes from, as you see. But these are all at around 1964, 1970. All of them, because I checked the years, of course. Just in case I find a 1941 or something like that, but I never did. And from these, how in the world did I get this? Look, it looks kind of red-ish, and I got this metal here. So if you know metals, well, definitely anybody here probably knows better than me on this one. Please let me know what happened here. What did I just extract from melting the 4 pennies? Literally, this is 4 pennies right now. So yeah, about the crucible, because I almost forgot why we're here. Absolutely works perfect. So if I had more metal, and if I could go outside and use the big torch, that would be even better. It would be even more fun. But as you saw yourself, the shape worked, or the form that we poured in here. Look, there's nothing left on it. That means it's good quality. And the metal, look, it's actually really nice. So yeah, and it did not break or crack or nothing. Let me just pour some of it out. Look, it's brand new like the moment we got it. These are streaks, just dirt. It's not cracked. So yeah, I'm actually surprised it worked this good. So in my opinion, this is a winner. I am happy with it, and I'm going to have a lot of fun. And no, I'm not putting the ring under that. You have to forget that part. So yeah, with that said, please let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. And again, I'm asking anybody out there, what the hell did just happen here? How did I get a white metal from non-white pennies? That is something that will haunt me tonight on Google. Anyway, we'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.